Okay, me and my sister are gonna be singing "Stand by Me" by Ben E. King. I'm gonna sound horrible, but it's okay. Nah, she's gonna sound beast. I'm gonna sound horrible, but it's okay, because who could not sing along to that song? You know? But she's texting. So, meanwhile, I'm gonna tell y'all about my day. My day was awesome. It was boring, though, in class. In class, it was boring. We did a chapter that took, like, the whole class period. And then we did a lab that was a video. And we had to, like, fill out a worksheet as we watched the video. And it was about, like, food companies, how they grow their products, how they're changing the products and this and that. How they're changing the products, like how they're fattening the chickens and the cows and then
hormones, the additives.
Yeah, the process of the GMOs and all that
HMOs
bad stuff. What?
The HMOs and the homos.
Oh my god.
Sorry. It was by accident. That was me, actually. You're looking at
Hi.
Hey.
Okay. Let's go. Should I put it black and white?
Oh, yeah, why not? We're going to put it really, really low so we can go with the tempo.
Oh, you're going to put the song
Because
on?
we don't really know, like, how to sing it without the tune. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Because I need the lyrics. I don't know about you. But you know what I mean. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh,
Why am I even here?
when the night has come
Wait, I can't hear it.
and the land is dark
This dark
and the moon
is the only that we'll see.
No,
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand, stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Or off, stand by me. The sky that we look upon should tumble and fall. All the mountains should crumble to the sea. I won't cry, I won't cry, no I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. We gotta sing at the right time.
no, we can see however we want.
Okay. Oh my god, you're making me.
Dun 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 dun.
We're just waiting for this lyrics.
So
R.I.P. Benny King.
darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Just as long as you stand.
They better not be.
Darling, stand by me.
Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Now you're by me.
I don't know that one.
Oh, stand by
me.
Oh, stand.
Sing it like a man.
Oh, stand by me. Woo! Okay.
All right.
Bye, guys.
We were just feeling the Ben King Stand By Me. Oh! And we thank you for joining us and hope you sort of somewhat enjoyed this. So, bye.